Hi everyone, this is question number 23. So we are given y equals to x squared minus 5x plus 9, and we have to solve the equation given here. So what do we do is, since we need to use the first derivative and second derivative, so might as well, let's find that first. dy by dx, we have 2x minus 5, and then the second derivative, it will be just 2. So with this, we can now solve the equation dy by dx squared minus d2y by dx2 plus 2y equals to 3x plus 5. Substitute whatever expression that we have. So dy by dx is 2x minus 5. So we got to square this. And then minus second derivative is 2 plus 2y. Now replace the y in terms of x. So y is x squared minus 5x plus 9 equals to 3x plus 5. So let's expand the expression here. So we have 4x squared minus 20x plus 25 minus 2, open up this bracket here, plus 2x squared minus 10x plus 18, and bring this over to the other side of the equation. So minus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. Because I see the quadratic term, therefore I know I'm going to need to solve the quadratic equation. So 4x squared plus 2x squared. So we have 6x squared. Next, minus 20x, minus 10x, and minus 3x. So we have negative 33x. Okay, finally, combine the number. So 25 minus 2, that is 23. 23 plus 18. 23 plus 18, we have 41. 41 minus 5, we have 36. So plus 36. Okay, so equals to 0. And now all these are the multiple of 3, right? Let's simplify it first. Divide both sides with 3. So we have 2x squared minus 11x plus 12 equals to 0. Now we can factorize this. 4 and 3, yeah, 4 and 3, and negative, negative. So double check. The inner pair is negative 3x. The outer pair is negative 8x. So same sign, we find the sum. The sum is negative 11x. So our factors are correct. So that equals to 0. Okay, therefore, to find the value of x equals to 3 over 2 or x equals to 4. That's it. Okay, that's the meaning solving the equation. That is to find the value of x. All right, that's it for this question.